You're too tired. Look who's driving right now. Like, before.
I'm still gonna be too tired.
Then sleep right now.
I know, but like I'm trying to vlog before I get to the point where I'm asleep. We are headed out. We are in LA. We are leaving LA. Hopefully we can make it to Denver.
This is 3 a.m. We'll be there at 3 a.m. It's not even noon.
The thing is, I really want to book a hotel right now, but I'm worried like we might not. It's 14 hours to Denver, Colorado, okay? I'm worried we might not make it to Denver, and then I'll have paid for a hotel for no reason. On this trip back to Minnesota, we're also trying to get our apartment locked down, because in the meantime, while our house is being renovated, we want to be able to stay somewhere, obviously. So we're going to try to get an apartment while our house is being renovated. And yeah, we're also driving the truck back so we don't have to pay for it to be shipped. Here is our number 1. Do you have anything to say?
No, I'm trying to save my energy.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. Devin, what are you doing back there?
Looking at,
Guys, we just made it to Las Vegas. I don't know if you could tell, but Devin's back there. Devin!
what up?
Yeah, we just made it to Las Vegas. Devin wanted to try this, restaurant. It's like a restaurant, right?
I mean,
It was on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Whatever it's called. It was on that show, and so now Devin wants to go to it. It's called Those Guys, or These Guys, something like that. But we're just getting gas right now. We just got our pizza. Devin got a filling. Whoa!
wow.
It looks kind of gross, but like it looks like a good gross. This is my pizza. And fries. Now it's time to get back on the road.
Okay, I'm about to like go around this dude on this turn. Like,
Why? He's not even doing anything.
he's not even out there.
Babe, you're so annoying.
Oh, this dude is fucking annoying. Like, dude, this turn.
Guys, this is what I deal with.
Dude, he didn't even turn. Like, you know
In
what?
1.2 miles, turn left to merge onto Summerlin Parkway East.
Okay, yeah, but he didn't even turn. Like,
Devin's crazy. You guys have no idea what I deal with.
feeling pretty good.
Go past this
We're
light.
back to
Then at the next
our
one, turn left.
original destination after Devin wanted us to go to Those Guys.
Was it worth it though?
That's funny. That's the name of
We
it.
really only blew like 45 minutes at max.
Ooh, there's a cop right there.
I don't care.
Our original destination, Denver, Colorado. We're coming 10 hours. We'll be there at 2:59 in the morning, 3 a.m. 755 miles. We are in Utah. We're literally in the middle of Utah right now. We're getting gas because Devin decided to get it all the way down to literally empty.
Hey, I'm gonna go in. I need to go piss.
Okay, bye. It's like 19 degrees outside and it's snowing and he left the sunroof open. Like, that's my boyfriend. And this is what you call a crazy person, because he literally just wants to get a picture of his Durango in the snow. It's 19 degrees outside. Devin is like literally just a boy, and like things are so cool. I literally can't see anything. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I'm happy I'm not driving. I'm so scared.
Oh my gosh.
Like, look at that. We stopped at a hotel. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So I'll give you guys like a cute little room tour. It's not that big, but I'll do that in the morning. Right now I'm going to bed. Bye. We woke up in Denver this morning, but right now, what time is it?
Too late.
No, it's 9:11.
What?
Right now. It's 9:11, so we are leaving out of Denver, going to Minnesota. If you care, our room just looks like this. It's just small. Bathroom. But yeah, so now we're going to Minnesota.
Ooh.
We've only been here for like 9 hours, but
Yeah.
time to go. Did you click the button? No. It's my turn to drive.
Man, I did all the driving. Like, I drove like 14, almost 15 hours the first night.
Yeah, no, it was a full 14.
For sure.
To Colorado. He drove the whole way to Colorado. And then I drove through Nebraska for like 3.5 hours.
Oh,
It was a
she
good.
drove like
I drove from.
4/5.
I drove like 300 and some odd miles. So we made it back last night, crashed when we got home, and it's the next day. The truck is in Minnesota, guys. Where it should be, because now we can use the snow gear and everything.
Hey, if y'all see me out here, man, you know, pull up. There's something at the window or something.
No, don't throw any.
Don't do that.
Yeah, but
For real, don't do that.
I hope you guys liked today's video. Thank you for watching. We will see you next Wednesday. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Do all those things. No, I don't like the Yankees, by the way.
Okay, we'll see you next week.